Butter has something inside of it called lecithin. It's this special little thing that grabs stuff and doesn't let it break apart. In the presence of heat, you really damage that lecithin, and that's why you don't have enough sauce, and I bet it breaks on you too. Cooking class. Culinary is so appreciative to see so many people interested in what we can do, honestly. And even if you just didn't want to golf today and you hear we cook good food, we still